Welcome to my new listing at 8 Rimani Drive in Mission Viejo, California. This home resides in the Pacific Hills community, and what I love most about this property is its location. You have panoramic views of the Saddleback Mountain ranges, you have city lights. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage. This house has been lovingly maintained and has upgrades and designer accents throughout the entire home. Let's go take the tour. I'm in the primary bedroom. Look how spacious this room is. And oh my goodness, can you see this view? It's absolutely breathtaking. I'm in love. Isn't this backyard incredible? It's extremely private, it's very quiet. If you would like to schedule a private showing, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.